For floating maintenance, the biggest difference is about everything we do is heavy equipment. Paving jobs, full paving jobs, where we might do 100 foot, we might do a mile or more. Really a whole lot more versatile. We pretty much can do anything that's asked of us.
We're the backbone of Region 1 with floating maintenance. I mean, we got all the major equipment, all the big guns.
Our biggest danger is the traffic. At night's really scary because they drive faster at night.
We had an 18-wheeler come in the work zone. Luckily, we had a state trooper there, and he pulled him over. I mean, that's risking all of our lives.
You have to trust the guys that you're working with. They have your life in their hands a lot of times.
We take pride in our work. We take pride in our bosses. We're just like I said, we're just like families.
They like to get out there and work with you instead of sitting in the office telling you what to do, you know. So people really like that. If you're out here working, you really like your bosses to be with you.
Different people's got different methods, but I'm more the lead by example type person.
My favorite part about this job is the experience I'm learning and working with all these guys. If you don't know something, they're willing to jump in there and help you.
I value my workers. I value their skill. You know, I have a lot of respect for them.